Hey Lebron, the game is just about to start. Can I ask you a few questions?
Oh yeah, sure, whatever you want.
How do you prepare yourself for a big game like this?
I like oranges. I like to eat them.
No. I said how do you prepare yourself for a game?
I eat oranges. Oh, and I lick cats and dress up like Michael Jackson and pretend I'm Superman and put peanut butter on my eyebrows and...
That's enough, Lebron.
No, stop, I have more things to say. I eat fiber one and...
Lebron, the game is starting.
But I have more things to tell you, and I read books, comic books and pet doggies, and change my Facebook status. Okay, I am done.